Welcome to a new video. Hello, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a new day, the beginning of a new week. Well, so for today video, I'm gonna look to share. No, maybe very like I start my analysis on the monthly time frame. As you can see, we are in a long-term discount overlay, which is this monthly fair value gap BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Okay, so as you can see, there is something with that saw on the monthly time frame. Okay, we just understand. Okay, prior month just rebalances this fair value gap BC after take as the sell side look resting below this low. Okay, so for now, our next aim on the monthly time frame, okay, gonna be consequent uncrossment of this BC. Okay, so our next aim gonna be consequent encroachment of this fair value gap BC. That's gonna be our next aim. Okay, but so that's gonna be our next aim on the monthly time frame. Okay, so we does see something also. So now we have to get close to prior month. Look what do you have here. Consequent encroachment of this week. Okay, so now we're gonna delete this thing. Okay, so on the monthly time frame, we do see that the market rebalances this fair value gap BC. So, and it just taps the high of the gap. And our next aim gonna be what? A consequent uncrossment of this gap. Okay, that's gonna be our next aim. And if we have a weekly candle that close below consequent uncrossment of this gap without touching the low of this BC, that is a probable signal signaling that you might very like see the market completely filled in this BC. But for now, we're gonna just essay on with a draw on liquidity, consequent uncrossment of this gap. Okay, so we have what consequent uncrossment of prior month. Very very interesting. Let's go on the weekly time frame. I'm gonna show you something. Okay, so what do we just have here? Okay, so what do we just have here is what that candle tail discount week is very very important. Why? Why is important? Because you do see that it doesn't rush a lot of time, just 43-minute think before that first daily candle that on Monday close. If it does respect the constant question of this week, that can be a signal that we might not see the market run below previous month low this week. Okay? Okay? If the first daily candle that hit consequent uncrossment discount week previous month tail respect it, okay, that is our first signal that we might not see the market run below previous month low. And therefore, we're going to start looking for high prices and maybe very like a reprice into a short term premium or very like a CB on a daily time frame. Okay. So that's very, very simple. Huh? As you can see. That's gonna be our first hunt. And on the weekly time frame, you're gonna just focus on the sell side of the curve. As you can see, there's no CB going into the gap. Very, very sloppy on the weekly time frame. Okay, but beautiful on the lower time frame. That's the tip. Okay, so we're gonna just focus on how this day the market, that daily candle gonna close, and if you respect it, you're gonna start looking for high prices. Okay, and many times if you have a daily time frame what's up on a daily time frame that hit a high time frame low, whether it be monthly tail, reversal pattern, constant correction previous month tail or previous week tail, many times, okay, many times, if the market want to continue in a direction of the reversal pattern, it does not need to run below previous day low if you are bullish, or above previous day high if you are bearish. Hot damn, nigga. I just give you some gold. There we go. So that means what? If Monday candle just hit, if Monday candle, daily candle, obviously, respect, consequent, encroachment, discount week, previews, month tell, we're gonna start looking for high prices. And there just I don't want to go on a daily time frame now, but you can do it for yourself. There's a daily fair value gap CB. That can be our drawn liquidity for this week. Okay? And what? If that daily candle respect it, you does not want to see the market run below Monday low. If it want to continue go high without any need to retreat below previous month low this week. Okay? And many times you're going to potentially use a model of the market sometimes. Okay? So that means is the market going to continue go high? Okay? Sometimes it can show weakness to not hit constant correction discount week previous day tail that after the reverse support and form. Okay? Or just a type of create a reverse pattern. But for now, that's enough. We're gonna just watch how that daily candle. If Monday, okay, let's recapitulate. If Monday close below constant cross discount previous month tail, we're gonna aim for what? Previous month low and consequent uncrossment of this monthly fair value gap BC. Okay, but if it respect it, okay, therefore we're gonna start hunting for a high prices, aim for a daily fair value gap CB. Okay, and what? If that signal gonna fail the high prices, the market gonna just run below Monday low. That's gonna be it. So that's gonna be that for this week. Hope we're gonna have a beautiful week. Just focus on probabilities and focus on the process that's gonna give you the end result you are looking for. Because that's the only thing that is inside your control. The action you put that's gonna yield the end result you are looking for. As you can see, until I talk to you next time, Rahman Sar. Be cold, be bold, and look good, baby.